second bout of our amateur boxing event tonight. Fighting from the red corner, weighing 27 kilograms. The pride from the Colores Village, Pangantugan, Bukidnon, John Michael Javier. And his opponent, fighting from the blue corner, weighing 27 kilograms. The pride from Valencia City, Bukidnon, Jimon Putas. Okay, prepare next bout. Ridmark Gulilat versus Lister Liwanan. Puro ni taga-Bagusanon. Hindi. Valencia City, Bukidnon from Pangantugan City. Kidney. Panahon na lurun. Fighting from the red corner from Pangantugan. Fighting from the blue corner from Valencia. Yun talaga. My good. Okay. Ayos yung mga footwork ko. Talog ko sa mga talya. 10 seconds remaining. 10 seconds. Time for the first round. Talog ko na napita rin. Medyo atras sila na kaya. Medyo atras sila. May paradiling kayo. Ito mo lang atong mga coaching staff. Alright. Pumalaan atong first round of our second bout to our boxing tonight. Okay, seconds out. Seconds out. Start for the second round. Okay, naniid. Nangita na. Ikuran. Abot, niabot, wala, sumbag, niluloy. Nice. Nagtayuhan na yung ginawa. Abot. Parisyon kayo mga kaigsunan. Abot. Grabe ka bats. Wala. Bolay. Alright. Hey! 10 seconds! 10 seconds! 10 seconds remaining! 10 seconds! 10 seconds! Time for the second round! Alright! Time for the second round! Grabong ilaban mga kaisunan! Pangantugan City versus Valencia City, Bukidnon! Last round. Alright. Seconds out. Last round. Third and final round. Ini kita lagi latih semua. Time out, claps. Okay. Time out. Ang listo ni Gawas. Ayo. Ang listo nanundapin sa liog. Okay. Prepare ang next bout ha. Raymar Gulilat versus Lister Liwanan. Lamig kita na mga isunan. Box to the final round. Down. Oh, Bakos, big. Okay. Good bout. 10 seconds. 10 seconds.
Lungkoy kayo. Kasi katawa. Lahi-lahi mga talawa. Ito.
Alright. I think the scorecard is ready. So ato nang basahon mga kaigsunan. Alright. Ladies and gentlemen, winner by unanimous decision, fighting from the blue corner, G-Boy Puntas! Congratulations! Congratulations!